If you need to cancel an appointment on Calendly, this quick tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. Whether you booked the meeting by mistake, your schedule changed, or you simply need to free up that time, Calendly makes it easy to cancel an event in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Calendly in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one calendar or business profile. Once you're inside Calendly, look at the side panel on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Meetings. This is where Calendly keeps your scheduled appointment details, so it's the place you want to go when you need to manage an existing event. After you open the meeting section, you'll see a list of appointments or scheduled events. Find the appointment you want to cancel and click on it to open the event details. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct meeting, especially if you have several bookings around the same time. This helps prevent canceling the wrong event by accident. Once the appointment is open, look for the cancel button. Calendly usually places this option where it's easy to access from the event details page. Click Cancel to start the cancellation process. At this point, Calendly may ask you if you want to add a reason for the cancellation. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to let the invitee know why the meeting is no longer happening. You can type a short explanation if needed, or leave it blank if you prefer not to include one. After that, you'll need to confirm the action by clicking Cancel Event. This is the final step that officially removes the appointment from your schedule. Once you confirm, the meeting will be cancelled and Calendly will take care of the notification automatically. One of the helpful things about Calendly is that the invitee will receive a cancellation email right away. That means you don't need to manually send a message to let them know the meeting was cancelled. The system handles it for you, which saves time and helps keep communication clear and professional. So to quickly review, the process is open Calendly, sign in, go to meetings in the side panel, select the appointment, click cancel, optionally enter a reason, and then confirm with cancel event. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials on popular apps and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.